You are going to love the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.